Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you're all fine. Welcome back to our English grammar class, and the concentrating topic is degrees of comparisons. Whereas in the last class, we have already discussed about the definition of positive degree, definition of comparative degree, and superlative degrees definitions. Even we have discussed about some of the adjectives, how we are using it in the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If it is in the positive degree, then the adjective will be in the first form, big, for example. Then if it is in the comparative degree, adjective will be in the second form, bigger. Then if it is in the superlative degree, it will be, or adjective will be in the third form, biggest. So always superlative degree, it is expressing about the superiority. So superiority, which means which is the highest one. Above than that we cannot find anything. There we are using for expressing such type of words, we are using superlative degree. Then comparative degree we are using for making comparison in between of two or more than two things. In between of two or more than two things. You can take my own example. You can say that Ismail sir is fatter than that boy. You can use these words. Obviously it is, because when you want to express about my fat, so then we have to think about another one. There is another person with whom you are going to be compare with me. You are going to compare me with that guy, so therefore you are using the word. So there is a comparison, and always in the comparison, as I have told you, as a conjunction we have to use than, because than it's always standing for comparing, comparisons. Okay, then whereas in the positive degree we have already discussed that it is in the first form of adjectives. So let's focus in today's class certain examples which are there in the positive, and that positive degrees example will change it into comparative, and from comparative to superlative we will change, how it can change and all. So that we will see here. So first example, the book is so long. So here this long it is considering as an adjective, because the long word it is expressing about a book, right? So here if you are taking the book as in the form of a noun, so then this is going to be considered as an adjective. So therefore this book is so long, it is in the first form of an adjective. If I want to change this positive degree into comparative degree, it will become the book is longer than that book. This extra we can add, or longer than any other also you can take. If there is no specification, if there is no specific book, or if you don't want to specifically name something else, then you can go with the any other. Okay, so the book is so long, positive degree. In comparative degree it will become the book is longer than that book, or the book is longer than any other book. Then in superlative degree it will become this is the longest book, which means the longest we are adding, which means very clearly it is the superiority. Above than that nothing is there in entire the world. This is only the longest book. After this book we cannot find anything so far. So there we are using superlative degree, positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, so superlative, there we are using third form of a adjective, and before that though as a mandatory we are using article. Okay, we'll go for the second example. The airport is far, or this airport or that airport, whatever you can take, or the airport is far. F-A-R, far, dura ide. The airport is far, it is in the positive degree. So if I want to change it into comparative, it will become the airport is farther. Cannot say the further. If you are THER further andre nantara munde munde anange. Okay, farther, FARTHER, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. FURTHER ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. FARTHER ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ದರ್ than the school, because we need to make some comparison here. You can take school, or even you can take a bus stand, railway station, anything else you can take, or market, whatever the things it comes in your mind, you can take it out, but we need to make comparison. So therefore the airport is farther. It is in the second form of adjective, and than as a mandatory conjunction we have used here. The airport is farther than the school or market or bus stand or railway station, whatever. Then in superlative degree it will become, this is the farthest airport, or that airport, whatever the things you can add it out. This is the farthest airport. The mandatory article it is. Then again adjective third form we have to use. Let's go for the example number 3. My mother is a good cook. My mother is a good cook. It is in the positive degree. Good we can find here. So my mother is a good cook. So then in comparative degree it will become, my mother is better than any other cook. Or you can take, my mother is better than your mother. My mother is better cook than your mother. The words you can use out here. Hope you are understanding, my dear children. We'll go further for superlative degree of this sentence. My mother is the best cook. The best. See, good adjective 1, better second form of adjective, best third form of adjective. So good adjective 1, better second form, best third form. We'll go for the next fourth example. Apples are very tasty. Apples are very tasty. Positive. In comparative it will become, apples are tastier than oranges. Or you can take any other fruits. Okay, apples are tastier than oranges. When we are comparing from the comparative to superlative degree, it will become, apples are the tastiest fruits, or apples are the tastiest. Okay, let's go for the example number 5. Danny is as smart as Phillips. Whereas in the previous class, in our last class when we were discussing, I told you sometime in the positive degree we can use as adjective, as we can also use as at. So one example I have given which is related to this. Danny is as smart as Philip. You can take, Danny is as not smart as Philip also, you can take it out here, but it will become negative positive. Okay, that means you should not think out. So here you can focus that Danny is as smart as Philip. We'll change it into comparative. Danny is smarter than Philip. Danny is smarter than Philip. Then in superlative it will become, Danny is the smartest boy. In the class you can take, or in the world you can take, or in your home you can take, whatever the things. We'll go for the example number 6, which is last year in the board. This book is much interesting. This book is much interesting. So most of the students are getting confusion here. So far you might be thinking that in positive degree if it is long, in comparative it will become longer. Then again in positive degree if it is a far, then in comparative it will become farther. Then again in positive degree if it is a tasty, in comparative it will become tastier. And then again in positive degree if it is a smart, then in comparative it will become a smarter. Then again in positive degree if it is a much, then do you think in comparative it will become mucher? Never. So how it will be? This book is much interesting. So much, it is adjective 1, more than the most. Okay, much more, most. This book is much interesting. It's in the positive. In comparative it will become, this book is more interesting than that book. Then in superlative it will become, this is the most interesting book. Hope you are understanding. These are the examples of degrees from the positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. We have already changed. In tomorrow's class, some more examples we'll see which are there in the negative, and some more new adjectives, how we can change out and all that, all the things we'll see. After finishing this degrees of comparisons, again we'll go back to the lessons. Okay, till then please stay safe. Thank you.